Thank you for joining us today on Radio Free New Hampshire. Today we begin our series on the Delton AR15 with an unboxing video. Self-proclaimed enthusiasts of anything AR-15, Delton began producing AR-15 components and then complete rifles in their Elizabethtown, North Carolina facility about 20 years ago. First out of the box is a very comprehensive owner's manual which includes detailed information on takedown, cleaning, and reassembly. Next is a standard cable lock which we will use to lock the chamber of this rifle. This particular model features a 16-inch barrel with a 1-in-9 twist, but they also offer 1-in-7 and 1-in-8 options. If you're not familiar with barrel twist ratios, check back in the future and we will have a video on that as well. This model also features a 13.5-inch free-floating M-LOK equipped handguard with a Picatinny rail on top. Also included in the box is a standard mil-spec 30-round metal magazine. As always, make sure your firearm is on safe before proceeding. Also featured is a standard M4 style adjustable stock in dark earth. The upper and lower in this rifle are both made by Delton in North Carolina. This optics-ready rifle has the standard features of any AR-15. The rifle is shipped with a bright orange chamber plug. To remove that plug, simply pull the charging handle to the rear and remove it. To lock the bolt to the rear, pull back on the charging handle. Depress the lower portion of the bolt release and the bolt will lock. On the right side of the upper receiver, you will see what's called a forward assist. The forward assist was added to the original M16 platform to help move the bolt forward in situations where it failed to do so on its own. Before moving the bolt forward, ensure the charging handle has been returned to its locked position. Then depress the top of the bolt release. You will also notice a dust cover on the right side of the upper receiver. Just snap it closed. It'll open when the bolt retracts to the rear. To load a magazine, insert it into the magazine well until you hear it click. To remove it, simply depress the magazine release button on the right-hand side of the lower receiver. This AR comes with a standard M4 style 5-position adjustable stock. To adjust it, depress the lever and it will slide back and forth over the buffer tube. To install the cable lock, retract the bolt and lock it to the rear. Feed the lock through the ejector port and out the magazine well. And that's it for our video on unboxing the Delton AR-15. Please like, subscribe, and check back soon on Radio Free New Hampshire for our continuing series.